It is the end of 2023, the beginning of 2024, and every year I buy a new planner. And this year is no different. And I tend to gravitate towards the same planner. Now, this company is awesome. Their product is highest quality that I have found that suits my needs. So, but last year I bought early, and then like a week later they went on discount, and the company wouldn't honor my discount, and I had been a loyal customer. But be that as it may, I waited. I was smart. I waited this year until after Black Friday. Actually, I ordered it on Black Friday. Everything was on sale. I got the sale. I got my points. So I wanted to unbox it with you. So here we go. It's Erin Condren. And this, let me see if I can turn you around. Okay, so this is how it came in this beautiful pink box. And let's see, it's packed very nicely. Let's see if I can get through this. There we go. So, this is the planner that I got. It comes in this nice little dust bag. If I can get it open. Oh, but look, let me show you. I got a desk pad. Is that the cutest little thing? She has the nicest little quotes. Change your thoughts and change the world. And you get a different inspiration every month. And so I got a monthly desk pad, and I got this, which is super cute. They are note cards. Isn't that a most beautiful design? So it comes with these little stickers. I've gotten these before and I love them so much. So I got a different design this year, but it comes with the stickers for the envelopes. I got pink envelopes this year, and these are standard postage, which is nice because, you know, sometimes you get the really unique designs and the envelopes are oddly shaped, and then you have to add additional postage. But on these, and this is what the note cards look like, and they're personalized, and this is what the outside looks like. So you fold it in half, and here is what your recipient will get. So it looks like this. Isn't that beautiful? I'm sorry, there's a glare. And then you open it up and you write your personal note, and then there's my name. And I got it in silver, so it's very kind of muted. So I got that with my name on it, and I got another one and another design. Well, this is the design, the flowers, and I got it from my mom. And I got her name on it, and she got the fuchsia envelope. So I will leave this all packaged up for her because I don't want to mess that up. So I got this for my mom as a Christmas gift. Isn't that gorgeous? And the box is so nice and sturdy. They had a pinstripe version, which was super cool, but it sold out. But isn't this is their, I can't remember the name of this design. I'll leave it linked below. Modern Circles or something like that. But it's really pretty, and it seems like it's their go-to, the circles, if you notice the circles on the box too. So I think that's kind of like the Erin Condren original. So I got those two as gifts. Well, I got the notes for my mom, notes for me. These are all the inserts. So this is an insert of like daily to-dos, so you can make your list. But let me get this open. Hold on, let me pause you for a second so I can get this bag open without shaking you around too much. Hold on. Okay, so in that bag came this cover. It's a vegan leather cover, and it has a snap, which I love. Last year, I got a vegan leather, it was a cover, but it didn't have a snap or any of the folds or anything, so this has pockets, which I like, because I basically like to keep everything in here. Receipts, things I need to do, all that kind of stuff. So it's got these pockets up here for like business cards and stuff like that. And this is for, I'm thinking markers, because it's got a pen holder over here on the side. And then it's got this big pocket here in the back, which is nice and roomy. It's got a nice gold 3-ring binder. I believe you can choose your color of what binder you want. You can get like a chrome, gold, and I think there was one other, like a metallic maybe. Don't quote me on that, but if you go to erincondren.com, they'll have all the choices, and they've got a couple of different colors of this too. But I was laughing at myself because I opened this and I had this one and it was wrapped up like this, and I was like, oh my gosh, they sent me 2. Well, no, they didn't, because I got a new format this year. So this year I got an hourly planner or a daily planner. So it will have 6 a.m. all the way to 7 p.m. And then you get the month in a glance, and then you get a space for a list of to-dos, and then some blank space to doodle or whatever you'd like to do there. Last year, I got a week in advance, so you can see I could look at the week all in a glance, but I wasn't able to organize my days very well with this planner because there wasn't enough time slots. So in order to because I like to have it on paper, I also obviously put it in my phone, but I like to have it on paper. And this, I think, is going to serve me better to stay organized and more productive. So this is one day, this is another day. And then what they both do, I like at the beginning of each month, they have, you can kind of summarize your month, things you want to do, things like that. And they do the same thing in this format. So they have the same, it's a little bit different, but not by much. So you still have the bullet points and the area down here and just kind of space it. And then you have this page for notes from the previous month. So I like this format. And then I got inserts for this year, which they were different than I got last year. So they had when I was unboxing, I showed you the notes that I had gotten, and it looks like this, and it gives you some bullet points here and just some places to make notes and stuff. I also got this, it's called Checklist. So I'm gonna put habits on here and keep track of some habits on here. And then I also got a tab called Projects, which is super cool. So you can name your project, write all the details out, resources you need, start date, end date, important other dates within your project, and then notes about it. And then you have on the back page of that a blank page to make notes about your project. So I really like that. And I'm going to use that this year for some things that I want to get accomplished. And then also I wanted to kind of show you the difference between this binder and with the snap, and then this is the binder. This is the format that I got last year. This is a ringed binder. This is not a 3-ring binder, so you can't put inserts into this one like you can. This is also customizable. It doesn't have the snap or the pockets or anything like that, but I put my initials on this one last year. I did not put my initials on this one this year. I wanted to keep it a little bit more clean looking. When I was working, I kept something like this, and I kept everything in here, and I called it my desk. And it was contacts, it was things I needed, papers that I needed to go with me, so I could just take this and throw it in my bag, and I would have my iPad might even fit in here. I used to work with an iPad, but my laptop this will go right on top of my laptop. Anyhow, so I want to have this to take with me, and this did not allow me that. So I got the note. So what I used to do this year was I would take this, and then I would take an 8.5 by 11 notebook, which is the same format as the notes pages that I bought. So I would have this, then that ring binder, then my laptop, then another folder for any other papers that I needed to take with me. this year I have this. I have my planner. I've got the notes in the back for anything that I anything that I need. I've got my project notes in here. I've got a pocket to take all my papers here. There's another pocket here. And so there's plenty of storage, and everything comes kind of wrapped up in a bow here for you. So I'm very excited to use this year. Erin Condren also sends these little notes with your order. So little cards that say you are enough today, tomorrow, and every day. You are beautiful just as you are, and the future is bright. And last year they were different, and they're all different. So I keep these in here, and then if I send notes with those note cards, if I send a handwritten note, I'll throw one of these in there. Or last year I took one of these and posted it above my son's computer when he was at school, just so he would come home and see it. It's something about me being proud of him. I can't remember exactly what it said. So it comes with that. It also comes with this little mini planner, and it's kind of a monthly thing. So it has every day of the month listed here. I don't really use this for that. I kind of just throw this on my nightstand, and if I think of something in the night, I will jot it down in here, and because it's nice and compact. So that's what I use this for. Or you can gift this to someone who might need it to throw in their purse or something along those lines. She does send another coupon code. This is for a friend or family. It's not a coupon code I can publish for you guys because I think you can only use it once. I don't have any coupon codes with Erin Condren. I'm not sponsored or anything like that. I just happen to love her planners. But she does give you a discount to use again, or you can share it with a family or friend. And this in this bag that she sent is the second half of the year, which I showed you earlier, and then some of the extra pages for these inserts that I got, because she sent you quite a few, and I didn't want the planner to get too thick because it was already thick enough, and I wanted to have room to put some other things in here. So that is my planner for 2024, and I am over the moon excited about it. Now, it snaps pretty easy. I had struggled with it earlier, but that snapped pretty easy, so that makes me very happy. So that is my planner for 2024. We are gearing up. It is December, the beginning of December, so it is vision board making time, getting your 2024 planner all set and ready to go, whatever that looks like for you. It could be digital, it could be paper like I like, a little bit of both, whatever combo works for you. Stay tuned also. I will be posting some gift ideas. I have an unboxing of a bunch of Nordstrom stuff that I'm going to take you with me through tomorrow. I'm really excited about some of the things I got from there, and I believe they're all still on sale. Also, I found a couple of things for myself that I want to share with you, which I'm super excited about. And so stay tuned for some things coming later this week. Also, I am going to New York at the end of next week, and I'm going to take you along with me. So stay tuned, come back and visit my channel. Please like and subscribe this video if you are enjoying this content, and I'll see you soon. Bye.